explain again.
Okay, so this is the pancreas. Pancreas you will find where? Pancreas you will find in the endocrine system and also in the digestive system. Okay, and in digestive system, what do they do? This pancreas, they make some enzyme. Okay, this pancreas they make some enzyme, and what is the function of what is? I mean, what do they do? They help the food in breaking down. That is about the digestive system. So let's talk about the endocrine system. In the endocrine system, what do they do? This pancreas, they make insulin. Okay, they make some hormones as well as insulin and some glucagon. And what is the function of that insulin? The function of the insulin is that uh, they maintain the or else they keep the level of the sugar level, okay, sugar level which is found in your body, balance, neutral, not too high, not too low. So they keep it balanced. Did you understand now about pancreas?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, next is ovaries. So ovaries you will be finding in your female reproductive system. So what is the function of this ovary? This ovary, they make a hormone. Okay, what is the name of the two hormones? Estrogen and progesterone. This one, estrogen and progesterone. And what is the function of this estrogen and progesterone, which you will be getting in the female reproductive system? They helps the female, okay, they helps the woman so that they can, I mean, so that they can be at the stage of puberty age. Okay, so let's say like when a girl was small, the size of the breast was normal. It's not it. It was flat. But as she starts getting like the puberty age, the size of the breast also increase. It's not it. As well as what the girl starts getting periods, means menstrual cycle. And this menstrual cycle, they are responsible for the woman to get pregnant. Do you understand about the function of estrogen and progesterone? The name of the two hormones which you will be getting in the female reproductive system is estrogen and progesterone. This estrogen and progesterone, what do they do? Uh, I mean, they help the female to come to the puberty stage. Puberty stage in a sense like what they physical physical changes, you can say. Physical changes like what? Physical changes in the breast, physical changes in also in the reproductive system changes, that is the girl starts having periods or else mens, and with the help of this menstrual cycle, like she is able to bear a child. She will be able to bear a child, like being pregnant. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is testes. This testis where you will find in the male reproductive system. So this testis, they make a hormone, which is, what is the name of that hormone? Testosterone. Okay, testosterone. So what is the function of that hormone? The function of the testosterone, they help the boys, I mean the male, to grow some facial hair and also some puberty hair. Okay, and also they help the penis, this one. Okay, this is the penis. They also help the penis to grow in size, to grow in so that it will become larger. And also they helps in what? They also helps in making, I mean, secreting some sperm. They also make the sperm, this testosterone, the name of the hormone, which you will find in the male reproductive system. Okay, is it clear everyone about all the endocrine system? Is it clear? If it is not clear, it's okay. I'll
Yes,
explain
ma'am.
again. But you first say, is it clear or not? If it is not clear, it's okay. I'll explain again.
Can you
Yes.
repeat again?
Okay, from the very beginning.
You repeat again. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the endocrine system. So in the endocrine system, you will see various glands. Okay, that is the pineal gland, pituitary gland, hypothalamus gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal. Everything is same for both male and female, except here you will find testes for male and ovary, which you will find for female, except that part. Other than that, everything is same. Okay, did you get my point? And what is the function of this endocrine system? The endocrine system, they make some hormones. Okay, they will connect with each other. All these glands, they will connect with each other so that they can pass information to each other. So that if any like abnormalities, or if any like what to say, if anything is lacking behind in that person, these glands, they will unite. They will communicate with each other, and they will make the person healthy. The person like, I mean, to work or else to function normally. Understand? So that is the overview of the endocrine system. Okay, did you understand till here, Tabayakar? Yes? Did you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the function of this endocrine system? The endocrine system, I've already said, they make some hormones, and they also control our mood. Okay, happy, sad, all this. They also control our mood, and also they also do what? They also helps in growth and development. We grow, we develop something, so it helps in that, and also metabolism, normal functioning of our body, and also in the reproductive system. Also, they help us. And this endocrine system, they also control your hormones. Who controls? The hypothalamus. You remember, right? So after releasing all the hormones, what do? They go to your bloodstream, and they go and supply all those hormones to the different parts of your body. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So so the first gland which you will find in the endocrine system is hypothalamus. This is the hypothalamus. So this hypothalamus you will find in your brain, okay, in your head, in your brain. So what is the function of this hypothalamus? The function of the hypothalamus is that they control the this one, pituitary gland. Okay, the hypothalamus will control the pituitary gland, so that they will go and pass information to the pituitary gland by saying like when to start releasing the hormones, when to stop releasing the hormones. So in that way, the hypothalamus, I mean, they function in that way. They function in that system. Is it clear about hypothalamus? Is it clear or not? Hypothalamus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay. Next is pituitary gland. So this pituitary gland also you will find in your brain, in your head. So just below the hypothalamus, you will get the pituitary gland. And this pituitary gland, what do they do? They will, I mean, I've already said that the hypothalamus will send signal to the pituitary gland. And this pituitary gland, what do? Uh, they they start making hormones. Okay, and they also control the other glands of your body. Okay, they also control the other glands of your body, and they start making hormones like what? Like growth hormone, which is known as prolactin. This prolactin, what do they do? This prolactin, what is the function of the prolactin hormone? The prolactin, they help the breastfeeding mother so that they can make some milk, so that they can so that they can make some milk, so that the babies will be able to suck it. Okay, prolactin. Prolactin is the name of the hormone which helps the breastfeeding mothers so that they can make some milk from the breast. Understand? And also some hormone which is known as luteinizing hormone. And this luteinizing hormone, what do? They manage two hormones. What are those? Estrogen and progesterone. Okay, estrogen you will find in a woman, that is for the female, and testosterone you will find in man, that is for male. Okay, are you clear about pituitary gland?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is pineal gland. So this is a pineal gland. Same thing, this pineal gland also you'll find in your brain, in your head. And what is the function of this pineal gland? They make some chemical. They will make some chemical. What is the name of the chemical? Melatonin. Yes, melatonin. What do? They help your body. I mean, they will help you in getting ready to sleep. I mean, they mostly helps you in sleep cycle. You can say, okay, like your sleeping pattern. So the pineal gland helps you in that thing. Okay, is it clear? Okay, is it clear, students, about pineal gland?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is thyroid. So this is a thyroid gland. So thyroid gland, where you will find in your neck portion. Listen here, in your neck portion. So this thyroid gland, where you will find, the thyroid gland you will find in the front part of your neck, or else anterior side. Anterior means what? Front. So you will find in the front part of your neck this thyroid. So this thyroid, what do they do? This thyroid gland, they make some hormone. What is the function of that hormone? They will help you in controlling the metabolism. Now, the metabolism of your body means what? They will help you in controlling, or else they will help you in functioning of your body, so that your body can function normally. Your body can function healthily. Okay, in a healthy manner, in a proper manner. So the thyroid gland, they helps you in that thing. You'll find in your neck, that is in the front part, that is the anterior side. Okay, okay, is it clear? Is it clear, thyroid gland?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is parathyroid. So this is a parathyroid. Same thing. This one also you'll find in the neck portion, but you'll find in the back. It is the posterior side. Posterior. So this parathyroid gland, you will see as four parts. Okay, it is this yellow portion. One, two, three, four. For this parathyroid, you will see as four glands, which is at the back of your neck, behind your neck, or else posterior side, you can say. Okay. So what is the function of this parathyroid gland? The parathyroid gland, they helps you in what? Making your bone healthy, so that your bone becomes healthy. Means they helps you in making your bone healthy, and also they also control the level of what? Calcium and phosphorus. in your body. They also control the level of calcium and phosphorus in your body, this parathyroid. Okay, is it clear? Parathyroid? Okay. Okay, I have completed everything then. I mean the endocrine system, all this part also I've already discussed. Thymus. Okay, let me say again, let me repeat again. So this thymus gland, where you will find the thymus gland, you will find the thymus gland in between your clavicle, that is just upside of your sternum. And what is the function of this thymus gland? They make white blood cells, which is also known as T lymphocytes. So these T lymphocytes, what do? They will help you in giving immunity. Immunity, like how? Like in order to prevent yourself from infection, or else in order to make you from not getting sick, in order to make you not getting any disease. Okay, they give immunity, but you will find the immunity being active only like in the child period. Okay, means children, only in the children. As you grow older, okay, as you grow older, I mean when you reach the stage of puberty, that means adolescent stage, then it will start to slow down. It will start to shrink. Understand thymus? Did you understand thymus? Did you understand or not thymus?
Understand, ma'am.
Next is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland you will find just above, just at the top of your kidney. You have two kidneys, so adrenal glands you will find both at the top. So these adrenal glands, they make two hormones. What is the name of the two hormone? Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, and another hormone is known as corticosteroids. So what is the function of that? Those two hormones. The function is that they helps you in metabolism of your body, and also as well as some performing some sexual function, and even in other activities also, even in other things also, this adrenal gland will helps you. Next is pancreas. So this pancreas you will find both in your digestive system part also, as well as in your endocrine system part also. And in the digestive system, this pancreas, what is the function? They helps you in what? Digesting some enzymes. I mean, like they will help you in breaking down the food. And also this, in this pancreas, what will you see? You will see that they also make hormones. Okay, also known as insulin and glucagon. And this insulin, what is the function of this insulin in the pancreas? You will find that this insulin, they helps you in controlling the level of sugar level. Sugar level. I mean, they balance your sugar level. Not too high, not too low, neutral. They keep in that level. This insulin. Next is ovary. So this ovaries you will find where? You will find in the female reproductive system. So you will find two ovaries, this one, and they make some hormone, this ovary. What is the name of the two hormones? The name of the two hormones is that as just estrogen and progesterone. So estrogen and progesterone, what is the function of estrogen and progesterone? They make the girl like to hit the puberty age, to come at the stage of puberty, like what? Like you will find some physical changes, such as increasing in the size of the breast, and also as well as the girl starts getting what? Periods, or else you can say mens, like menstrual cycle. And this menstrual cycle, they helps the female to get pregnant. Okay, so in that system, in that way, these ovaries, they helps in it. Next is testis, which you'll find in male. So this testis, they make some hormone. What is the name of the hormone? Testosterone. This testosterone, what do? They have the male to grow some facial hair. That means same thing. They also help even. They also have the male in coming to the puberty stage. Like that is like what they have some male to grow some facial hair, like his beard and all that, and also some body hairs. And also they helps in what, this testosterone, they helps in making the size of the penis larger. Okay, making the size of the penis larger, and also they helps in what, making some sperm, so that they can they can become active in the reproductive system part. Okay, that was all about the endocrine system. So are you clear, everyone, about the endocrine system? Everyone? Are you clear or not about endocrine system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay then. Ivan Rihun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ivan Rihun, can you tell me about the function of hypothalamus gland? Yes, Ivan?
Hypothalamus.
Yes, where will you find this hypothalamus gland? Where they are located? Where will you find? Where will you find this hypothalamus? Ivan, do you know or not?
No, no, ma'am.
Don't know. Then why you kept quiet when I was asking who, did you understand or not? Can you see this, Ivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the hypothalamus. So hypothalamus, where will you find? You will find in your brain, in your head. So this hypothalamus, what do? They will go and pass information to the pituitary gland. Okay, it's by what? Sending what kind of information? Sending the information that when to start making hormones, when to stop making the hormones. Okay, that means they controls the glands overall. I'm just saying as like overall part. Okay, did you understand now? This
Yes, ma'am.
hypothalamus, they will go and pass information, or else they will send signal to the pituitary gland, like when to start making the hormones, when to stop making the hormones. In that way, the hypothalamus, they helps. Okay, I'll ask again. Okay, now you tell me about hypothalamus gland.
Uh, the hypothalamus, they send information to the brain. That helps
It is inside the brain itself. So
inside
what
the brain.
Yes, this hypothalamus is inside the brain itself. So what they will go and pass information?
To about to start hormones or to stop.
Wait. Okay, first thing you tell me, this hypothalamus gland, where will you find? Where they are?
In, inside the brain.
Okay, inside the brain. Okay, hypothalamus will go and send signal to whom?
To the brain to
To,
produce hormone.
are you sure they will go and pass information to the brain? You see here, near the hypothalamus gland, what is the name of the gland?
Pituitary.
Pituitary gland. It's not it. So this hypothalamus, they will go and send, or else they will go and pass information to the pituitary gland. Understand? Not the brain. Do you
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
now, Ivan?
Yes.
Okay, they will go and pass information to the pituitary gland by saying what? Like to start making the hormones. Understand? When to start, like when to stop. In that way, they helps. Do you understand now, Ivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Gordas. Gordas. Next, Gunajit Nath. Gunajit, you never used to come as unmute. What happened? From the very beginning, I'm noticing you. Only during attendance, you used to used to on your mic. Okay, Jondeep. Okay, Jondeep, can you tell me where is thyroid gland?
Thyroid below the neck.
Okay, means in your neck part, it's not it. So thyroid
Yes.
gland, where will you find, in the anterior part or in the posterior part?
In the posterior.
Thyroid.
Oh, oh no, in the anterior.
Anterior means
Front.
okay, front part. Okay. So what is the function of thyroid gland?
Ma'am, it stimulates thyroxine hormone.
Okay, and what did I say? And I said something about thyroid gland. They helps in metabolism of our body. I said that one also or not?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next is parathyroid. Okay, Jyotishmita. Okay, Moichong, Nianu, Nianu, Rani, Rani, Salmi, Salmi Debarma, Subhash, Subhash Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Subhash, can you tell me the function of parathyroid gland?
Function of what, ma'am?
Parathyroid, this one.
Parathyroid.
Okay, you just tell me parathyroid, where they are situated, back side or front side?
Mm,
Huh?
left side, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Back or front?
Left.
Uh-huh. Left.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't even mention left. I just said front or back. पीछे में है या आगे में है? सिर्फ वही बोलो, पैराथायराइड पीछे में है या आगे में है? वो जोनदीप ने क्या बोला था? जोनदीप ने बोला थायराइड आगे में है, मतलब फ्रंट, ठीक है, एंटीरियर। और पैराथायराइड कहाँ पे होगा? अगर ये थायराइड आगे में है तो पैराथायराइड कहाँ पे होगा? सुभाष?
थायराइड
हाँ हाँ,
बैक में।
बैक में, मतलब
पीछे।
पोस्टीरियर, है कि
यस
नहीं?
मैम।
So this parathyroid, how many glands you will find in this parathyroid? कितना glands मिलेगा ये parathyroid पे? हाँ, पता है कि नहीं? Do you know or not?
पता नहीं है।
Okay, you see this. Can you see Subhash?
यस मैम।
Okay, there are four parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this parathyroid, they helps you in what? They helps you in making your bone healthy, and also they control what? The level of calcium and phosphorus. Understand?
यस मैम।
Did you understand now? Okay. Okay, is it clear everyone, today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay then, that's all for today's class. I hope everyone understood it